It's so important for our residents to take personal responsibility to be prepared. So we're asking them to have a plan, to have a kit, and to stay informed. The only way they're going to know what to do is to get the information from Office of Emergency Management. When we have activated our Emergency Operations Center, we are providing that information to our residents. You can go to our website, look for the CEAN, Community Emergency Alert Network logo, and just sign up for that information. We provide the information to you any way that you want it, either by phone, by text, by email. It is a free service, but it is so important for you to get that information on what to do in case there is an emergency in Fairfax County. The Fairfax County Emergency blog information is provided there. We do provide information to TV, radio, and newspapers. We are trying to push that information any way that we can in order for our residents to be informed, to make informed decisions, to stay safe.